Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can unhide comments on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, come to your Instagram profile by clicking on your profile picture in the bottom right. And then what you need to do is go and find the post where you went and hide the comments on. So in this case, I have this picture here. So let me go and click on it on the post. Then what you need to do is click on the view all button or just a comment icon. And the comments will go and open up and you'll see the option to see hidden comments. So you may have to scroll down quite far if you've got a lot, but go and click on that section and it will then go and show you them. And to go and unhide them literally, you just click on unhide. You need to confirm your decision by pressing unhide and they've now been unhidden. It's that simple. And if you want to go and stop sort of automatic filters from hiding comments, click on the three dots in the top right where it says for all posts. Click on hide more comments and you can then switch off. Hide comments. So that's basically how you can unhide comments on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.